One of my favorite cuts of meat is the picanha, aka the sirloin cap, and it's literally the cap of the sirloin with the fat still attached. What I like to do is I like to sous vide the sirloin cap. Also, I season it with salt only. This is what they do at Brazilian steakhouses, and that's what I'm doing. You can sous vide this to whatever temperature you like steak. I like to sous vide it at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Sometimes I go to 133 degrees Fahrenheit. And depending on the size of your picanha, you might want to go 1 hour, you might want to go 3 hours. On this particular picanha, I went about 3 hours. After I took it out of the sous vide water bath, I seared it. Now, you can sear this any way that you like. I like to do it over some form of charcoal. I usually like to do it right on top of my charcoal chimney starter. You can do this on the barbecue, you can do this in your broiler, or you can do this on the stovetop. You do it the way that works easiest for you. Once you're ready, slice it up, serve it up, and enjoy. And if you like, make yourself some simple guacamole. You can find that recipe in the description below, and then use it for an awesome taco. I guarantee you, picanha is one of the best cuts of meat you will have ever tried.